Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this class also we are going to discuss one different model on the trigonometric identities and I personally feel that in my teaching experience I noticed that this pattern of the problems according to a student these are somehow clumsy. They feel that it's a very difficult problem. But it is very simple if you can do small adjustments within that. Okay, so what is that problem? Just see. Show that 2 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1 equal to 0. Right, this is what the problem. So you need to take this LHS part and we need to make it is equal to 0. We need to prove that it's equal to 0, right? So how to prove it? Simple thing. Here take LHS first. I'm considering LHS. What is that LHS part? 2 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1. Okay, this is what LHS is given, right? Now what we have to do, so in order to solve this, okay, don't look at the entire expression at a time. You feel that it's a difficult, okay, but if you focus on individual brackets it will be so easy, right? Now focus on this bracket first. Let us do the rearrangement of the terms. How to do the rearrangement? Tell me here, sine power 6 theta. How to do the rearrangement? We can adjust this term as sine square theta to that whole cube. Okay, sine square theta whole cube. Now similarly, you can adjust this cos power 6 theta also as cos square theta whole cube. Cos square theta whole cube. What I did, just I wrote sine power 6 theta as sine square theta whole cube plus cos power 6 theta as cos square theta whole cube. Got it? Now minus 3 into sine power 4 theta can be rewritten as sine square theta whole square, sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square plus 1. Okay. Now you may ask me that why I wrote like this. Yes, I want to take the advantage of algebraic identities, standard formulas of algebra. What are that standard formulas? Let me write it first. So see this here, this is in which form? The first bracket expression is in the form of what? Here this is in the form of, see, if you consider sine square theta as A and cos square theta as B, then this is in the form of what? A cube plus B cube, right? Now tell me here, A cube plus B cube can be written as what? It's a standard formula, you know. It's a standard formula. That would be your what? A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, from the algebra you have this formula, okay, in your schooling levels. So see here, this is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Got it? Okay. Here A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. It's a standard formula. Now look at this. In the second bracket, now focus on this. What is the second bracket? Sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. If you consider again sine square theta as as A and cos square theta as B, then is this in the form of A square plus B square or not? Yes, it is in the form of A square plus B square. So we can write this as A square plus B square. Now how can we write this A square plus B square? Now let me take the formula that A plus B whole square equal to, what is it? A square plus B square plus 2ab, right? Okay, we can write it like this. Now send this 2ab to this another side of the equation. What does it become? See here, a plus b whole square minus this is 2ab equal to what? A square plus b square. A square plus b square. I think you understood. We just took this 2ab to another side and its sign get changed. Sign is changed to minus. So therefore a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So now can we use this formula to solve these two brackets or not? Exactly. So let us start doing that. Now 2 into a cube plus b cube can be splitted to what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So a cube plus b cube, here a is sin square theta, b is cos square theta. How can you split it? Now a plus b means what? A is sin square theta here plus b is cos square theta here into, now a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. No? So now tell me what is a square? Don't say a square is sin square theta. A sin square theta is a. If you want to get a square, sin square theta to that whole square you need to do, right? So here sin square theta whole square is a square. Now b is your cos square theta, okay, and minus ab, no? Minus ab. Ab means what? A is sin square theta and b is cos square theta. So therefore ab would be sin square theta times of cos square theta into cos square theta, right? Now the second one would be, okay, plus cos square theta whole square or not, because b square is there, cos square theta whole square, right? Okay. Now this is the explanation for first expression. So this is the expansion of this first expression. See, don't need to worry about this. I will tell you, I will explain to you step by step in the step by step process. Okay. Now again solve this second bracket. See, this first bracket value would be this. Now second bracket value would be what? Minus 3 into, right? Now tell me, this is in the form of what? A square plus b square. So how can we write a square plus b square? Again I am asking, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? So here we can write this as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. What is a plus b whole square? Tell me here. Yes, the a plus b whole square means a is sin square theta and b is cos square theta. So therefore a plus b whole square, that means here sin square theta plus cos square theta to that whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a would be how much? Sin square theta plus cos, into cos square theta. A plus b whole square minus 2ab, we rewrite like that, and plus 1 is there. I am writing here plus 1. Okay. Now it's looking so clumsy and very bigger expression, but don't need to worry about that. Okay, it's a very simplest one. Okay, I'm once again explaining you, since it's a lengthy problem, I'll clarify you each and every step once or twice. Okay, see here, so just see here, this bracket we expanded like this. What is this one? Sin square whole cube plus cos square whole cube. Sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube can be written as what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta into, okay, sin square theta whole square minus sin square theta into cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square, according to the formula that a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Using this formula we have expanded this, and now the second bracket would be what here? 3 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, which is written as inside the bracket sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square This can be further expanded into which form? This is in the form of a square plus b square, which can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That means a plus b whole square means what? A is sin square theta and b is cos square theta, means a plus b whole square is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into sin square theta cos square theta, and your plus 1 I wrote outside. Okay, so this is what about the expansion of this entire expression. You don't need to worry about here. Now we can find out the standard identities of trigonometry over here. If you clearly identify. So see this, I am highlighting here. So is this sin square plus theta, is this a identity or not? Yes, this is identity. And then after, is this an identity or not inside the bracket? Yes. That means matter is simplified. Okay. So here, I am sorry. See this, here we can take 2 into. Now with value of the sin square theta plus cos square theta would be 1 according to trigonometric identities. So here we can diminish this one. Here there is 1. So we can simply put this value only. So now what is this? Sin square theta whole square. That would be your sin power 4 theta. Now I am writing this again. What is this? Cos square theta whole square, that means plus cos power 4 theta, right? Cos power 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta, means this one. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, now entire expression is multiplied by 2. Okay, minus 3 into. Now tell me here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will be again 1. Okay, 1 to the power of 2, that means 1 square. 1 itself, no? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta and plus 1 is there. I am writing here plus 1. This is separate one. Okay. Okay. So therefore, we size is a bit decreased. Now let us do solve it once again. Again what is remained here? Just see. Again we obtained this sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Again can we write this as sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square or not? Exactly. We can write here 2 into. This can be again written as what? Sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. I think you understood. Okay, now again these two, consider these two. What these are in which form? Yes. These are in the form of a square plus b square again. Okay, what is the form of a square plus b square? How can we write that? A plus b whole square minus 2ab or not? Exactly. So we can write this as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So what is a plus b whole square again? Sin square theta is a and cos square theta is b. So therefore we can write this as 2 into a plus b whole square. See here, 2 into, 2 is outside of that. Okay, 2 into sin square theta plus cos square sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. This is a square, this is b square. So therefore a plus b whole square. How can we write this? A is sin square theta plus b is cos square theta. To that we can put whole square. Okay, minus, how can we write it? Minus, sorry, I forgot to keep the bracket. Okay, minus 2ab now here. What is minus 2ab? Minus 2 into a value is sin square theta, b value would be cos square theta. And so here we wrote, just don't need to confuse about here. Sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square value would be sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So value of this is this, minus again this value is left over, no, minus sin theta cos theta. Inside the bracket, this is the expression, this value, this is the expression which results this one. Okay, now write this as it is, 3 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1 is there. Okay, now just see, once again I am telling you, again inside this small bracket, what is formed? Sin square theta plus cos square theta or not? Means value of this is again 2 into 1 square. See, is sin square theta plus cos square theta value would be 1 to that whole square, that means 1 square is 1 itself, minus here 2 sin square theta cos square theta, sorry, this is sin square theta cos square theta. So minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta means here minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta or not? Three sin square theta cos square theta means here 2x minus 2x minus x minus 3x means minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta can be written as what? 3 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. We can add them. Okay, minus 3 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, plus 1. Now somehow simplified. Okay, now do one thing, multiply this entire expression with 2 and multiply this entire expression with minus 3 and open them, open the brackets. Now what happens? 2 into 1 would be 2, minus 2 into 3 would be 6 sin square theta cos square theta, minus into plus would be minus 3, minus 3 into plus 1 would be minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2 would be plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. Now all the brackets are simplified. Okay, just see here, if you observe, minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta and plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta are cancelled. Now what is remained over here? This is 2 plus 1 3 and minus 3 are cancelled or not? You can write 2 plus 1 as 3. Here minus 3 only is left over. So what do we get? 3 minus 3 would be 0, which is our required RHS. Did we obtain or not? This is very simple problem, but you need to know that how to adjust the exponent values and how to use the algebraic identities. Okay, how to use the exponent values is very much important. How to adjust the exponent values and how to use the algebraic identities to solve this trigonometric identity based problem. Okay, so once again, for those who did not understand, I am once again explaining you that, just see. Here sin power 6 plus cos power 6 is adjusted into sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube, means this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, which can be further written as what? A plus b, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta into a square minus ab plus b square, means sin square theta whole square minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Now coming to this bracket, how did we expand it? This is in the form of what? Sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta to that whole square and cos square theta whole square. So this is in the form of a square plus b square, which can be further written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b whole square means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, means 3 is outside that. Okay, 3 is outside. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2ab means minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and this plus 1 we wrote here. Okay, now again sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 here. Now this is only left over inside, means sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Okay, so that we wrote, and here as we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 from the identities. Okay, so we put 1 here, minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta and plus 1 is written as it is. Okay. Now again sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta can be rewritten as sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square, and minus sin square theta cos square theta is written as it is. Okay, and we didn't change this term and didn't change this term. These terms remain same for these two steps. Okay, now what happened here? Now we can again we again wrote this in the form of a square plus b square, means sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. Just don't bother about this. Sin square theta a square plus b square can be further written as what? A plus b whole square minus 2ab, means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, means value of this expression is this one, minus sin square theta cos square theta is written as it is, and remaining terms we didn't change. Now here again sin square theta plus cos square theta value became 1, so 1 square is 1 itself, minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta and minus sin square theta cos square theta, since symbols are changed, they are added together to form minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, and minus 3 into this term again remains same. So each and every step you can observe that we didn't change last two terms after simplification. So after this we didn't change this until the last step. I mean till the last step this was constant. Okay, this wasn't changed at all. Now here 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta is, now we are going to open the brackets. In order to open the brackets, we multiplied here with the 2 and we multiplied here with the 3. Now 2 is multiplied, 2 into 1 2 and 2 into 3 6 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, this bracket is opened. Now to open this bracket we need to multiply with minus 3. Take care because minus sign is there. Minus 3 into plus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta plus 1 written. Here since 6 sin square theta cos square theta here and 6 sin square theta cos square theta is here with the different symbols plus and minus, we cancelled them. Now here 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3, means 3 minus 3 would be 0, that is RHS we obtained. Understood? So here even though problem is given very lengthy, if you think smart and if you know that where we have to do the certain adjustments, either by using algebraic identities like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a cube minus b cube, or by using trigonometric identities like sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, by mixing the formulae of algebra and trigonometry, we can combinedly solve this type of problems. So it's very simple now. So I think you understand this. Okay, anyways, if you are not understanding anything and if you need anything more, put them in the comment box. Okay, I'll definitely see the comments and will consider them. Okay, let us do the next problem also. Okay, for the more practice.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.